Good day, sir. My name is Harati Managbanag, BSIT 3A, and this is my reflection in System Analysis and Designs, titled Object Modeling. This chapter introduces object modeling, which is a popular technique that describes a system in terms of objects. Objects represent real people, places, events, and transactions, unlike structured analysis, which treats data and processes separately. Objects include data and processes that can affect the data. During the implementation process, system analysts and programmers transform objects into program code modules that can be optimized, tested, and reused as often as necessary. Object-oriented terms include classes, attributes, instances, messages, and methods. Classes includes objects that have similar attributes of characteristic. Individual members of a class are called object instances. Objects within a class can be grouped into subclasses, which are more specific categories with a class A. A, a class also can belong to a more general category called a superclass. Objects can send messages or commands that require other objects to perform certain methods or tasks. The concept that a message gives different meanings to different objects is called polymorphism. An object resembles a black box with encapsulated or self-contained data and methods. The strongest relationship between objects is inheritance. After you identify the object, classes, and relationships, you prepare an object relationship diagram that shows the object and how they interact to perform business function and transactions. The unified modeling language is a widely used method of visualizing and documenting an information system. UML techniques include use case diagram, class diagrams, sequence diagrams, state transaction diagrams, and activity diagrams. A use case describes a business situation initiated by an actor who interacts with information system. Each use case represents a specific transaction or scenario. A use case diagram is a visual summary of related use cases within a system or subsystem. A class diagram represents a detailed view of a single use case, showing the class that participate in the underlying business transaction and the relationship among classes instances, which is called cardinality.